Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got Glossybox, and this is their April beauty box. As always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to get straight on to seeing what I received in my box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This is Glossybox UK, and it's only available within the UK. There are other glossy boxes out there, but this one is solely for the UK. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I do have my own subscription running. I take out a 12-month subscription, and with those boxes I either give them to my friends or family as gifts, or I put them up for giveaways. And I currently have 3 glossy boxes that I bought myself that are up for a giveaway on my Instagram page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. So that's going to be running until the middle of May, so if you're interested in taking a look, you will find links down in my description. So the cost of the box is £13.25, and that includes shipping, and inside contains 5 beauty treats. Sometimes we've had added extras, little freebies in there as well, and you get a mix of skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, and sometimes beauty tools, as well as a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month. They do offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. So as I just mentioned, I take out a personal subscription. I take out a 12-month subscription, so instead of paying £13.20, I have to think now, £13.25, I pay £11.75 a month, so it just brings it down a little bit. If you opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, you are locked in for that whole time. Some months are better than others, you know, it's a mystery box, but my sort of rule of thumb is if I'm happy with at least 3 out of 5, then yeah, it's good. Unless I know that the 3 items that I like I could have got cheaper elsewhere, but that really happens. They say that the value of this box always exceeds £50. They have limited edition boxes running at the moment. I think there's a Bella collaboration one. They've got a Closer collaboration box. I think they're both still available. And they've just recently brought out a mother and baby collaboration. There's 2 boxes to choose from, so I'll pop them down in my description as well. Plus, Glossybox have given me a code to share with you to receive 20% off your first subscription. So all that information you'll find down below. So underneath this video you see show more or downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside their April box. So the theme for this month is Woke Up in Spring. We've got our card here and it details everything about the products inside the box. Plus it gives you a cost as well, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. And inside I'll open that up and show you the products, but before that I'll just show you what next month's sneak peek is. So for May, everyone that subscribes will receive a Rhodial Dragon's Blood eye mask. So it's there. Okay, I'll give you a sneak peek first. So before I go into showing you what's inside the box, I just wanted to read you a little bit about this month's theme. It says, "Hey Glossies, at Glossy HQ, we're absolutely loving spring. It almost feels like the promise of good things to come. So we're taking the beautiful blue skies and the bright blooming flowers of April and packaging up the wonderfully warm feeling in this month's Woken Up in Spring Glossy box. Delve into this box for 5 products that will be sure to brighten up your day." There's only 1 variation in this month's box, so I'll just talk you through that first. So in my box, I've got a Skin & Co. Roma. This is a ultra gentle botanical face cleansing gel called Morning Dew, made in Italy, and I've got 20 mils here. Going back to the press release, some customers will receive this cleansing gel, while others will receive either a Ahava body lotion or a mineral shower gel. This is a deluxe size, and the recommended retail price for this size is £1.98, and for the full size 200 mils it is £18.29. And it says Black Winter Truffle Extract fortifies the skin and powerful antioxidant enzymes, while traditional Umbrian botanicals refresh skin and dissolve impurities. Papaya extract also brightens and minimizes the appearance of blemishes while improving the appearance, texture and tone of the skin. So we got a cleansing gel. Next we've got a gorgeous packaged something. It's an eyeshadow quad by Sophia and Mabel. I absolutely love that. Packaging is stunning. I've never heard of this brand before, so it's something completely new for me. It says here that it's cruelty free. The Aphrodite Palette. There you go. So we've got a quad palette there. I do love these shades for a nice everyday sort of look. Let's try them out in my hand. The top 2 shades you can see are quite clear. For those, the other 2, the bottom ones there, they're just more like little highlighters for your eyes. Yeah, it looks pretty. It does look pretty. I am going to be doing a video review of these products. I've been promising since January to do this, but I've stripped back a bit of my unboxings so then I can bring you more beauty review content, so look out for that this month. So then, the recommended retail price for this quad eyeshadow is £25. It says, featuring a mix of both matte and satin shimmer tones, this palette enhance your eye makeup look and give a natural, effortless finish. Got an eyeshadow palette. Next we got some bath salts by Serenity Legend. This is hydrating Dead Sea bath salts and vegan, and we've got 100 grams there. Love, love, love bath salts. Got a bit of a collection growing now. We got pink Himalayan bath salts. We've got bath salts with CBD in it. Oh, we got a lot now. I want to say we, me and my daughter. Magnesium bath salts before we go to bed and things. We don't have baths often. She has them more than me, but yeah, every time we have a bath, we always put some bath salts in there. So hydrating Dead Sea bath salts. Okay, this is a mini pouch and it's worth £2.17. To purchase the full 500 gram, it will cost you £10.24. It says, enriched with unique healing minerals, these hydrating Dead Sea bath salts are all you need for a perfectly pampering bath, providing the ultimate spa experience. After just one use, your skin will be left feeling refreshed, soft and smooth. There you go. Next we've got an eye contour cream. This is by Cosmos Natural, or is it by Feel Free? Feel Free, that's the brand, Feel Free. It's an antioxidant eye cream and it contains hyaluronic acid, coffee, lemon and apple extracts. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. And we got 20 mils here. Oh, I'm gonna have to open this up and smell it. It hasn't got a sealy thing on it, but oh, it's just a nice subtle smell. It smells like really nice fresh cut grass, but very subtle. So the recommended retail price for this eye contour cream, which is full size, is £4.77. It says hydrating the under eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. This antioxidant eye contour cream is a dream. A combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint and more also help balance skin tone and brighten your delicate under eye area. It's got an eye cream. And then lastly, we've got a liquid blush. And this is by Dutton. This is by Dutton Paris. I am so sorry. So sorry, I can't pronounce it. Created in Paris. And it just says blush there. There. How would you say that? Dutton. Downtown. Is it an abbreviation for downtown maybe? Downtown Paris. Oh. Knowing me, it probably is, and it doesn't matter. It's 15 mils here, so before I try it, this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £19.58. Formulated with 99% natural and totally vegan ingredients, the Dutton Paris blush is the ideal product to enhance your cheeks. Perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. Simply take a small amount of the blush and pat along your cheekbones with your fingertips. Ooh, oh my god, there's not much in there, look at that. It's still not coming out yet. Oh my god, how much is it in there? 15 mils, yeah. Probably the packaging is just too big. Okay. Oh, flipping Nora, I always do this. Look. Oh, look at this, see? Do not apply that amount on your skin. Unless you want the tangoed look. Oh, it feels so nice. Hold on. I do really like that shade. I do really like it. Yeah, definitely a shade I would wear. Yeah, I do really like that. It's just a shame that it's like, doesn't feel like there's not much in there at all, you know? How much, if I do this tight now, I know I've probably put air in it. I'd say it's only about half full. Right there, see? It's funny, some products are like that. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up, add them all up, and then I'll be back. So these are all the products inside this month's Glossybox beauty box. And the value comes in at around £54–55. So we've got a cleansing gel here. You might receive a Ahava product instead. Then we've got some bath salts. We've got an eyeshadow quad palette. We've got an eye contour cream. And we've got a liquid blush. Now I think for £13.25, I think it's a nice box. I'm going to be excited to try some of these products, especially the makeup products as well, in my video review. But I am a little bit disappointed that this product, which is worth around £20, is not much in there whatsoever. You know, granted, you only need a tiny bit, clearly. You only need a tiny bit to use, but why put it in a bigger packaging? Because it just makes you feel like, oh, you haven't got enough there. It would have been better in smaller packaging. At least then you won't feel like you're like missing out. Eye contour cream. We've had a lot of eye creams recently for the last couple of months, in all honesty, and it sounds really nice, but is it any better than any of the other creams that I use at the moment? I don't know, but I've got a feeling that I might pass it on because I've just got too many eye creams now and they don't excite me. They don't excite me unless it's something innovative, something completely different and new. The palette, it looks nice. Again, £25. That's a lot of money. Testing it on my hand, which most of it's come off now. I wouldn't say that there's a strong pigment of shades there, but testing on your hand is completely different to testing it on your eyes. Comparing it to, say, a Huda Beauty palette, which I love. I absolutely love Huda Beauty palettes. I've got a few of them now. I think they're amazing. I do think they're gorgeous. I don't know anything about this brand, so I can't say yet whether I think it's worth it or not. And lastly, bath salts. As I said, I love bath salts, so I'll be putting that with my stash. And yeah, hydrating Dead Sea bath salts. I don't think I've got anything hydrating downstairs in my bathroom. I'd say it's worth £13.25. I think there's a good mix there, but overall I'm not wowed by it this month. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber to Glossybox? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And if you want to enter the giveaway to win 3 different glossy boxes, then head over to my Instagram page. You've got a couple of weeks to enter. But yeah, take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.